Ever wonder why your lasagna doesn't come out as creamy as the ones you get at your favorite Italian restaurant? Well, you're missing out on one key ingredient that makes all the difference. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the secret to the creamiest, most mouth-watering lasagna ever. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. Let's start with the basics. You'll need some lasagna noodles, ricotta, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese, plus a couple of kitchen staples, tomato sauce, garlic, and herbs. But there's one special ingredient you won't expect, and I'll show you exactly when to add it. Just wait for it. Now, start by making your rich, flavorful sauce. Then, layer your noodles with that beautiful ricotta mix and sauce. But here's the catch. If you don't do this one thing, your lasagna will miss that creamy texture we're after. By the way, if you love lasagna, I've got 20 delicious foolproof recipes for you. Grab them for free at the link below. One of the most common mistakes I see is not enough sauce. If you don't layer generously, your lasagna will end up dry. And don't forget to cover your lasagna properly. Let the cheese melt without burning. Here's the moment you've all been waiting for. The secret ingredient? A splash of heavy cream in your ricotta mixture. It makes your lasagna incredibly creamy and keeps it from drying out. Trust me, this one step takes it to the next level. Now that you know the secret, don't miss out on the full recipe with exact measurements and even more lasagna tips. Click the link below to get the step-by-step guide and grab my 20 free lasagna recipes. It's all yours, just head over to my blog and let's get cooking.